Before we get to cross-tab tool, please complete the assignments as instructed at exercise 2, date time, and select boxes. Let's learn about the cross-tab tool. The cross-tab tool allows you to pivot data according to identifiable categories found in data fields. An easy-to-understand example would be the pivot table function in Excel, which you may have experienced it before. Cross-tab tool is located in the Transform toolbar at the top. And if you skip 2 tools to the right from the cross-tab tool, you will see the Summarize tool that we already learned in exercise 1. And right next to it is the Transpose tool that we will learn in the next step. Let's take a quick preview of these tool thumbnail icons. You will notice that the icons of the cross-tab tool and Transpose tool look alike in some sense. These two tools offer pretty similar function, but they differ from each other in the way that crosstab rearranges columns into rows, while the Transpose tool rearranges rows into columns. Now, let's drag and drop crosstab tool onto the canvas. And I'll drag data from the select tool output and connect it to the crosstab tool. If you look at the incoming data, you'll see the car brand, model, and sales channel and region fields listed, as well as the sales estimate as a numerical data. And let's pivot the sales channel field and categorize sales estimate that belongs to each sales channel. Let's go to the configuration pane on the left. From the top section, you can select the fields to group the data. And we will select brand, model, and region. Then below in the change column headers drop-down box, we will select field that we want to pivot by its categorical data, which is sales channel. And then we select the value to fill in for each categorical data field, which is sales estimate. And since the values for new columns are numerical data, which is sales estimate values, we will select sum from the method of aggregating value option box. This way, the sales amount will be aggregated to a total amount for each category. And in case when the data type that is being pivoted is string type data, this list of applicable options will be different. For example, a concatenation, which allows you to connect multiple string fields. So after selecting all options, let's hit Run button. If you look at the result pane at the bottom, you will see the fields are pivoted by the sales channel categories now. And the sales estimates are redistributed to each field. So this way, the data in the sales estimate has been cross-tabbed according to each category that has been grouped by each brand, model, and region. So when you click on Incoming Data node, you can see that 32,114 records are coming in. But from the output node, Oops, misclicking. Output node. The data has been aggregated into 477 records. This concludes our review on the cross-tab tool. And please practice and complete the assignments according to the instructions below the cross-tab box.